Brick shape vacuum packing machine. Turn on the machine's power. Set sealing time based on pouch thickness. Set vacuum time for optimal results. Use only gusseted pouches for packaging. Use a former to shape the pouch into a brick-like form. Place the pouch in the die to retain its shape. Open the sealing area. Place the shaped pouch in the sealing area. Fill the pouch with the required material. Repeat this process for other pouches. Properly place the open end of the pouch in the sealing area. This machine is capable of creating brick-style vacuum packs. Close the machine lid. Hold the lid for a few seconds. The vacuum process will start, removing air from the pouch. Open the lid and remove the vacuumed pouch. Check the airtightness and shape of the pouch. The airtight packaging extends the product's shelf life. This machine helps vacuum pack pouches into a brick-like shape.